Walmart Spark Driver Referral bonuses are not a fixed amount for every driver because the offer depends on the referral promotion available, location, and eligibility requirements shown in the driver account. By the end, you'll know how Spark Driver referral bonuses work, where to check the current offer, and what conditions need to be completed before a bonus is paid. The first thing to understand is that referral bonuses are promotion-based. Walmart Spark Driver may offer different referral incentives at different times, and the amount can change depending on the market and current program rules. To see the real bonus amount available to you, check the referral section inside the Spark Driver app. The offer shown in your account is the amount that applies to your location and current promotion. The second thing to check is the requirements. A referral bonus usually depends on the person you refer completing specific steps. Those steps can include signing up through the correct referral process and completing required driver activity within the stated period. A referral does not automatically guarantee payment. The new driver must meet the conditions listed in the referral offer before the bonus becomes available. The third thing to understand is tracking. If you refer someone, keep your referral information and monitor the progress through the app. This helps you confirm whether the referral was connected correctly and whether the requirements were completed. If a bonus does not appear, check the referral terms first. Common reasons include the referral not using the correct process, the new driver not completing the required steps, or the promotion no longer being active. When contacting Spark Driver support about a missing referral bonus, provide specific details. Include the referral date, the referred driver's information if available, and the exact promotion details shown when you made the referral. Avoid sending a general message like, "My bonus is missing." A detailed support request gives the team the information needed to review the issue. The best way to maximize a referral opportunity is to check the current offer, read the requirements carefully, and make sure the new driver completes every required step. Your next step is to open the Spark Driver app, check the referral section, and review the current bonus offer and eligibility rules before referring someone. If this guide helped you understand Walmart Spark Driver referral bonuses, like the video and subscribe for more driver app guides and earning updates.